Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. Myself Anushka Goyal, your English teacher. Students, today we will start chapter 14 of English grammar, gender. So let's start. Chapter 14, gender. Read the following sentences carefully. The boy is reading a book. The girl is playing. You are a doctor. The pen is in my bag. In the above sentences, boy, girl, doctor and pen denote that these are male, female or can be both and lifeless respectively. तो इन sentences में ये जो words हैं boy, girl, doctor और pen, ये क्या denote कर रहे हैं? या तो male या female या either both, मतलब either male or female and pen lifeless. Types of gender. There are 4 types of gender. First one is masculine gender. Masculine gender denotes that the noun is a male. Masculine gender क्या denote करता है कि जो noun है वो male है. As man, boy, bull, dog, prince, etc. These are all masculine gender. Now next is feminine gender. Feminine gender denotes that the noun is a female. Feminine gender क्या denote करता है कि noun क्या है? Female. For example, woman, girl, cow, bitch, princess, lioness, etc. These are all feminine gender because these are denoting female. Common gender. It denotes that the noun can be either a male or a female. Common gender denotes that the noun can be either a male or a female. Like teacher, टीचर सर भी हो सकते हैं, मैम भी हो सकती हैं. म्यूजिशियन, जज, डॉक्टर, ड्राइवर, इंजीनियर, एनिमी, फार्मर, फ्रेंड, गेस्ट, मैनेजर, कुक, child, artist, advocate, advisor, etc. These all can be both male or female. Neuter gender. It denotes that the noun is lifeless. और neuter gender जो है वो क्या denote करता है कि noun जो है वो निर्जीव है, lifeless है. Like book, chair, river, mountain, etc. Now we will study how to change masculine gender into feminine gender. Changing of masculine gender into feminine gender. Masculine gender can be changed into feminine gender in the following ways. Number 1. ESS can be added at the end of a masculine gender to change into feminine gender. हम मस्कुलाइन जेंडर के लास्ट में ESS भी लगा सकते हैं उसको फेमिनाइन में चेंज करने के लिए. लाइक एक्टर, एक्टर, एक्ट्रेस, ESS लग गया, ओ हटा के ESS, ACTRESS. हंटर, हंट्रेस, वेटर, वेट्रेस, एम्परर, एम्प्रेस, ऑथर, ऑथरेस. फाउंडर, फाउंड्रेस, लायन, लायनेस, मास्टर, मिस्ट्रेस, प्रिंस, प्रिंसेस, टाइगर, tigress. So in all these nouns we have changed masculine into feminine by adding ESS at the end of the masculine gender. Now next is another different word can be used. Next rule to change masculine into feminine is that another different word can be used. Like uncle, feminine gender of uncle is aunt, of boy is girl, of son is daughter, of sir is madam, of husband is wife, of king is queen, of bull is cow, of cock is hen. So in these nouns masculine gender are changed into feminine by using a different word, completely different from the masculine. The masculine part in a compound word can be changed into feminine gender. Compound words are the words which are made from more than one word, like son-in-law. So this son-in-law is made from 3 words. One meaning is made from 3 words. Single noun is made from 3 words, so it is called compound noun. Compound word is a word. So compound word is a word which is made from more than one word. So the masculine part in a compound word can be changed into feminine gender. तो जो compound word में जो masculine part होता है, जैसे कि son in law में हो गया son, grandfather में हो गया father, sales boy में boy और grandson में son. तो इन masculine जो word होते हैं इस मस्कुलाइन पार्ट को फेमिनाइन में चेंज कर दिया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सन इन लॉ में मस्कुलाइन पार्ट हो गया सन. सो व्हेन वी चेंज इट इनटू फेमिनाइन वी विल चेंज दिस मस्कुलाइन इनटू फेमिनाइन. So feminine of son is daughter, so we will write it as daughter-in-law. Grandfather, in grandfather masculine word is father, so we will change it into feminine, so we will change this masculine word, this part, so it will become as grandmother. Sales boy, in sales boy masculine part is boy, so we will change it into feminine by changing this masculine part into feminine, so it will become sales girl. Grandson, in grandson masculine part is son, so when we will change into feminine we will change this son into daughter, so it will become granddaughter. Now next rule for changing masculine into feminine gender is some common gender nouns are used masculine as well as feminine. कुछ कॉमन जेंडर नाउन्स ऐसी होती हैं जो मस्कुलाइन और फेमिनाइन दोनों में सेम यूज होती हैं. लाइक कॉमन है गोट, सो गोट का मस्कुलाइन हो गया ही गोट एंड फेमिनाइन शी गोट. बेबी, बेबी का मस्कुलाइन हो गया ही बेबी एंड feminine of baby is she baby. As you all know that he is used for males and she is used for females. Servant, servant का masculine हो गया man servant and feminine is maid servant. Friend, masculine boyfriend, feminine girlfriend.